Hey, alright, so this is just a quick check-in for the Wednesday, Workshop Wednesdays. What I need most is, as you can see, I finished my my Moxon vise. So you've probably seen the part 1 video of that, I hope. If you haven't, go check it out. And what the next question is what do I make next? I've been hoarding a bunch of plans. And I'm not quite sure which one to start with. So I thought I'd put it out there, make a poll or something, or comment below. Tell me what you think I should make next. And let's see, what are our options? We have a traditional wet plate camera. This one is actually a top contender because I want to. It's got all kinds of joinery, tongue and groove, bridle joints, through tenons, and dovetails. Why else would I build the Moxon vise? There's 2 versions of that, the traditional with bellows or the box camera. Actually, I have a 3rd set of plans for that. Oh, what do we think? And a dead accurate crosscut sled, a flag case. This one I actually have, my grandfather passed away 2 years ago, he was a vet, and my wife's grandfather passed away last year, and he was a vet. So we have 2 flags that I need to make those for at some point. We could just do a basic little Splined Jewelry Box. How about a garden bench out of cedar? A high style tool cabinet from Fine Woodworking. Michael Pekovich's wall cabinet in whiteout, build it in whatever I want. A country pine hutch, all made with pine and nails. I think this one's actually a 100% hand tool build, but you know, whatever. Another Mitred box with trays. And what is this one? What is it called? A spindle arm Morris chair with footstool. A little upholstery there too. Other things that need to happen, my mom actually asked me for a new desk for her office, and what we're really thinking is we'll do a long slab with 2 or 3 cabinets underneath as support. And then Megan and I also need something similar in our apartment to have a better desk space, because my current drafting table is just not doing the trick. So anyways, in the comments below, please vote on any one of these that you thought was interesting. I'll leave a list of them in the description, and maybe in the comments as well. And let me know what you want to see next. So until next, that's this Wednesday's Workshop Wednesday. And remember, stay tuned, new videos out every Sunday and Wednesday, with the exception of this past week. It got weird. So cool. Catch you all on the flip side.